Title 6. Crimes Against Public Morals. Chapter 1. Gambling and Betting. Article 195. What acts are punishable in gambling? A. The penalty of arresto mayor or a fine not exceeding 200 pesos, and, in case of recidivism, the penalty of arresto mayor or a fine ranging from 200 or 6,000 pesos, shall be imposed upon 1. Any person other than those referred to in subsections B and C, who, in any manner shall directly, or indirectly take part in any game of monte, juting or any other form of lottery, policy, banking, or percentage game, dog races, or any other game of scheme the result of which depends wholly or chiefly upon chance or hazard, or wherein wagers consisting of money, articles of value or representative of value are made, or in the exploitation or use of any other mechanical invention or contrivance to determine by chance the loser or winner of money or any object or representative of value. 2. Any person who shall knowingly permit any form of gambling referred to in the preceding subdivision to be carried on in any uninhabited or uninhabited place of any building, vessel or other means of transportation owned or controlled by him. If the place where gambling is carried on has the reputation of a gambling place or that prohibited gambling is frequently carried on therein, the culprit shall be punished by the penalty provided for in this article in its maximum period. B. The penalty of prison correctional in its maximum degree shall be imposed upon the maintainer, conductor, or banker in a game of juting or any similar game. C. The penalty of prison correctional in its medium degree shall be imposed upon any person who shall, knowingly and without lawful purpose, have in his possession an lottery list, paper or other matter containing letters, figures, signs or symbols which pertain to or are in any manner used in the game of juting or any similar game which has taken place or about to take place. Article 196. Importation, sale and possession of lottery tickets or advertisements. The penalty of arresto mayor in its maximum period to prison correctional in its minimum period or a fine ranging from 200 to 2,000 pesos, or both, in the discretion of the court, shall be imposed upon any person who shall import into the Philippine Islands from any foreign place or port any lottery ticket or advertisement or, in connivance with the importer, shall sell or distribute the same. Any person who shall knowingly and with intent to use them, have in his possession lottery tickets or advertisements, or shall sell or distribute the same without connivance with the importer of the same, shall be punished by arresto menor, or a fine not exceeding 200 pesos, or both, in the discretion of the court. The possession of any lottery ticket or advertisement shall be prima facie evidence of an intent to sell, distribute or use the same in the Philippine Islands. Article 197. Betting in sports contests. The penalty of arresto menor or a fine not exceeding 200 pesos, or both, shall be imposed upon any person who shall bet money or any object or article of value or representative of value upon the result of any boxing or other sports contests. Article 198. Illegal betting on horse race. The penalty of arresto menor or a fine not exceeding 200 pesos, or both, shall be imposed upon any person who except during the period allowed by law, shall be on horse races. The penalty of arresto mayor or a fine ranging from 200 to 2,000 pesos, or both, shall be imposed upon any person who, under the same circumstances, shall maintain or employ a totalizer or other device or scheme for betting on horse races or realizing any profit therefrom. For the purposes of this article, any race held in the same day at the same place shall be held punishable as a separate offense, and if the same be committed by any partnership, corporation or association, the president and the directors or managers thereof shall be deemed to be principals in the offense if they have consented to or knowingly tolerated its commission. Article 199. Illegal cockfighting. The penalty of arresto menor or a fine not exceeding 200 pesos, or both, in the discretion of the court, shall be imposed upon 1. Any person who directly or indirectly participates in cockfights, by betting money or other valuable things, or who organizes cockfights at which bets are made, on a day other than those permitted by law. 2. Any person who directly or indirectly participates in cockfights, at a place other than a licensed cockpit,